Hi, my name is Joey Finro. I am a real estate agent in Orange County, California. I not only work with everyday buyers and sellers for residential real estate, but I also work with a lot of investors, real estate investors that they're business owners and they invest the proceeds of the business into residential real estate. And so today I wanted to talk to you, the business owner, somebody that's an entrepreneur that does well, that has excess funds, has considered investing into real estate, but they don't necessarily know how to jump in and where to go and where to start. And I have a lot of clients that have been in that position. They are extremely busy in their everyday business or businesses. They don't have time to waste or to devote into the real estate project, if you will, but they're intrigued by real estate and they know they should do it, but they don't have the time or the know-how to put all of this together. This is why I think that finding a real estate professional like myself, somebody like me in your market, is a solid resource for you, because someone like myself is going to find the deal, is going to run the numbers for you, let you know, is this a good location? What is the school ratings there? Who is the type of tenant? They're going to set up the financing. They're going to set up all the other vendors for you so you can make an easy decision. You can look at the property, look at the price, see how much capital it's going to take in order to acquire the asset. What do the numbers look like once you buy the property? And then the transition of managing it and who's going to manage it. All of that could be delegated. You just need somebody that's on it like myself in your market to basically do all that for you. I specialize into working with very busy business owners or multiple business owners who have several businesses. They're very busy in all of their business endeavors, but they know they need to get in the game of real estate. They want a secondary investment vehicle that they can have running in the background while they're in their business all day, every day. I also will say, not only do you know that you need to do that, but as you invest into real estate and you have that vehicle going on in the background, another thing that I know you're going to see after you bought your first, second, third, fourth one is you're going to be able to sleep better at night knowing that you have a very conservative investment in your portfolio. Real estate long-term is a very conservative investment. I would say one of the conservative investments that you can have, even way more conservative than cash, is a very conservative and safe investment if you do long-term rentals. Now, I'm not talking about short-term rentals or house hacking or any of that. You need steady, consistent, and stable real estate investing. And that's why I'm recommending long-term properties. And this could be a combination of single-family home or homes, or it can be multifamily like 2, 4, 10, 20, 30 unit apartment buildings that you can have for long-term lease agreements. That's very stable. People need housing more than ever. Less people are buying real estate. Way more people every single year are renting. Why do you think, especially in Orange County and in just our nation, why are so many apartment buildings are being built every single year? Is because housing is a need. Going back to where I was getting at, you're busy at work, you don't have the time, and you know you need to get in the game of real estate. The first step is find somebody who's a go-getter that's gonna do all of this for you. So you can worry about the very high level items, the price, how much cash do you need to put in, what's the turnaround, how long is it gonna take to stabilize the property? What I have found with my very busy business owners is that we're identifying properties, there are at least 4 units and up, apartment buildings that it's been owned by the previous owner for quite some time. Their rents are extremely low. This is gonna sound very counterintuitive. The rents are extremely low, but it's in a good location. The price is decent because the rents are very low, and there's a huge upside on what I call market rents. In the profession, you would call that the pro forma rents, meaning what the market rents are after you turn the tenants over, you do a quick little refresh rehab of the property so you can get the tenants out, get market rents, and then your real estate investment, that 4 unit or each of those 4 units are going to be very consistent, steady rental income for you. But backing up for a second, all of this can be done for you. Even setting up the LLCs and setting up the bank accounts, all of that stuff can be done. You need to find somebody you know, you trust, who can get the job done, manage all of these moving parts. That's one of the reasons why business owners have been known to shy away from real estate, because it takes a little bit of time to set all this up. It all can be done. I would just say delegate it, find the right resource to do this for you, and get it done. You'll be glad you did years later. If you have any questions on this, or if you would like a couple unique investment properties in Orange County, leave a comment below. I'm happy to send that to you. I'll see you in the next one.